Welcome back to FORSEdu. We are back with our video series on Total Quality Management. In today's video, we will discuss Service Quality Model and Capability Maturity Model in detail. Let us understand SERVQUAL first. Service Quality Model, which comprises of 5 parameters to determine the level of service quality offered by any organization. These parameters are: reliability, it is the ability to perform the promised service dependably and accurately. Responsiveness, it is the willingness to help the customers and provide prompt service. Assurance, the knowledge and courtesy of employees and their ability to convey trust and confidence. Empathy, the provision of caring, individualized attention to customers. Tangibles, the appearance of physical facilities, equipment, staff and communication materials. Radar scale measures the customer expectations and perceptions on a scale of 1 to 7, to find out the gaps or the differences between them, so that the company can take appropriate actions to improve its service quality.
To understand the SERVQUAL model, let us consider an example of a luxury hotel, offering services like dining, spa, gym, concierge, travel desk etc. to its customers. Now, the customers rate its services under the Radar Scale questionnaire. Now let's look at each attribute of SERVQUAL model in details. Reliability, being the most important parameter, indicates the competency of the hotel to provide the services as promised at the right time, place and quantity. Under this attribute, the following variables can be rated for this hotel. Under assurance, the customers are to be assured of quality and confidence in the services provided. Hence, encompasses the following factors. Tangibility is essential to reflect a visually appealing image of the hotel, and includes the following factors. Empathy is an essential element in the hospitality industry. It gives an insight into the ability of the hotel staff to cater to the varying needs of the customers and make them feel comfortable. Following listed variables can be rated for the same. Lastly, responsiveness ensures that the customer needs are promptly met with, and that the customers are always kept informed of the service provisions and the time required for service completion. In the context of hotel industry, this parameter may contain following attributes.
A response from 28 hotel customers is considered in this example, for finding out the gaps between the customer expectation and perception. As earlier discussed, the parameters are rated on a scale of 1 to 7, and the difference between the mean perceived and expected ratings is mentioned in the gap column. If the difference is positive, then the service is up to the mark, and if it is negative, the concerned service needs to be improved. Moreover, the value of gap determines whether the service overexceeds or is inferior to the expected service. For a particular parameter in Radar, the mean value gives an idea as to how a company is performing overall when it comes to any one of the Radar scale attribute. In this way, a company can formulate its future growth and improvement plans to improve its service quality and stand out amongst its competitors. The consolidated response sheet thus prepared is as shown. From the customer responses, we can interpret that the difference between the perceived and expected service is significant, and hence, the hotel management needs to focus on the following parameters majorly and allocate maximum resources to improve: high-quality fine dining experience in the restaurants, speed of service, welcoming of guests. Apart from that, the hotel management can also look for improving the following parameters, for which the difference in the perceived and expected service is quite close: timely and error-free service delivery, attention paid to detail by staff. Moreover, the difference between perceived and expected scores, for the attributes as a whole, is positive, and hence, we can conclude that the overall service levels in this luxury hotel are satisfactory. In this way, Insights into the service quality can be assessed, and appropriate strategies can be formulated to achieve high service quality standards.
We will now look at the Capability Maturity Model Integration, CMM. What is CMMI? Capability Maturity Model Integration is a process and behavioral model that helps organizations streamline process improvement and encourage productive, efficient behaviors that decrease risk in software, product and service development. CMMI is administered by the CMMI Institute, and was developed at Software Engineering Institute at Carnegie Mellon University, CMU. Let's look at the detailed explanation. The objective of CMMI is to create reliable environments, where products, services and departments are proactive, efficient and productive. Initially created for assessing the quality and capability of the software companies, CMMI models now cover all industrial sectors, to help the organizations around the world achieve demonstrable and sustainable business results. Now let's talk about CMMI appraisals. CMMI appraisals are done to identify the operational strengths and weakness of any organization. For this purpose, the CMMI has various levels to rate the capability of an organization to achieve process improvement. The method adopted for appraisal process by CMMI Institute is also referred to as SCAMPI, Standard CMMI Appraisal Method for Process Improvement. The appraisals are classified into SCAMPI A, SCAMPI B and SCAMPI C, SCAMPI A being more rigorous than SCAMPI B and so on. The capability levels are: Capability Level 0, Inconsistent Performance. Capability Level 1, addresses performance issues. Capability Level 2, identifies and monitors progress towards project performance objectives. Capability Level 3, focuses on achieving both project and organizational performance objectives.
In the similar lines, CMMI breakdowns the organizational maturity levels into 5, which consists of a predefined set of process areas. The maturity levels are measured by the achievement of the specific and generic goals that apply to each predefined set of process areas. These levels are: initial, work gets completed but is often delayed and over budget. Managed, projects are planned, performed, measured and controlled. Defined, organization-wide standards provide guidance across projects, programs and portfolios. Quantitatively managed, organization is data-driven, with quantitative performance improvement objectives that are predictable and aligned to meet the needs of internal and external stakeholders. Stable and flexible, organization is focused on continuous improvement and is built to pivot and respond to opportunity and change. The organization's stability provides a platform for agility and innovation. Organizations at level 5 are considered to have high maturity, where they are continuously evolving, adapting and growing to meet the needs of stakeholders and customers. An example of a company achieving level 5 CMMI is Tata Consultancy Services, creating a benchmark of being the first company in the world to use SCAMPI methodology for CMMI appraisal to achieve this feat. CMMI provides certifications that are offered directly by the CMMI Institute. A glimpse of a few of them are as shown.
That's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. In the next video, we will be discussing Six Sigma. Please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our videos.